Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can bulk create videos and then automatically post them, and the videos look just like this. So I just posted this one. It hasn't been doing very well yet, but these videos tend to do quite well. For example, I have another tweet video with B-roll in the background and just a tweet with a sound over it that's got over 60k views. So these have a high chance of going viral, and like I said, we're going to bulk create them and automate it. So there's two steps. The first is to actually create the content, and then the second is to automate it. What you're going to have to do first is head over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to have this prompt in the comments, but you're going to say, give me 30 viral tweets about entrepreneurship and mindset. So you can ask for however many videos you want about any topic that you want. Now we're going to ask it to give it to us in a CSV with the following columns, being the index, the title, the actual tweet, and then the Instagram caption. So we're going to head and send that to ChatGPT. We're going to wait for it to give us the response. Here you can see that it has quotations, and it also didn't give it to us in a CSV. So you're going to want to probably ask it to remove the quotations and give it to you in CSV. I already have one that's good, so I'm going to use that. So once you do have it good in a CSV file, you're going to go File. In Google Sheets, you can go File, Import. You're going to find the file. Okay. So we have it right here. And then you're just going to click Append to Current Sheet. Like I said, I already have it here, so I'm not going to do that. But that's what you would do. So as you can see, we have 30 quotes with the index, the title, the tweet, Instagram caption. For this video, I'm just going to do 3 or 4 here. So as you can see, we have the quotes and all that. So you're going to go ahead and file, download this as another CSV. And you want to take it into Google Sheets and upload it and then download it again just to make sure that everything is good. To look over everything, maybe change some of the tweets, because like again, it's ChatGPT making these, so you might not like one of the quotes or whatever. So just take it into Google Sheets, make sure it's all good, and then re-download it. Now once we have the final good CSV ready, we're going to head over into Canva and we're going to create a template. So I'm going to use this one, where it's just my profile photo, my name, my Instagram username, and then the actual quote. If you want this, I'm going to have the template link down in the description, but you can create your own however you want. So the next step is that we're going to go over to Apps. I've already done this, so obviously I have everything set up, but I'm just redoing it to show you guys. So we're going to head over to Apps and then bulk create. Now we're going to upload that CSV that we just downloaded, okay? The good one. And then we're going to hit our actual text here and then connect data. So make sure it's connected like this. I'm going to hit continue, generate 3 designs. For you, if you're doing 30, 60, 100, it'll be that. Generate 30 designs, generate 60 designs, generate 100 designs. So here we have the videos, but I'm going to take these a step further by actually adding good B-roll in the background to make them more engaging. So I already have my B-roll chosen and upload to Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and drag it and drop it into here. Make sure it's fit properly. I'm going to right click, click layer, send to back, head over to the next one, do the same thing. Drop it in, make sure it fits correctly. Right click, layer, send to back, and then the final one. Drop it in. There we go, right click, layer, send to back. Now I already have audio chosen down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that they fit for all of them. I'm gonna click Control C, Control V, drag it up here. Make sure this one fits. Could do that again, Control C, Control V, and boom. So make sure that all the audios are fitting. Cool. So now we have all of the designs with the B-roll in the background and the independent quotes, the unique quotes from ChatGPT. And we're gonna head and go click download. and we want to make sure we click download pages as separate files. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Okay, so now that we have it downloaded, I just created a new Google Drive folder specifically for these tweets. So we're gonna upload them to this drive, and then we're gonna do something. I'll show you. So it'll be in a zip file. All you have to do is go to that and then click extract all. And we're gonna just keep it in the downloads like this. We're gonna go back to our drive that we just created, our folder. Click new, file upload. We're gonna import these videos. Yeah, so as you can see, they're named 1, 2, and 3, but when we upload them to the drive, it gets added this like .mp4. We're gonna wanna go ahead and remove that. Okay, this is an important step. If you want to automate this process, you need to remove the .mp4. So we're just gonna go like this. And the easiest way is to just select it all and then do one. And so on and so forth with the rest of the videos. So that's step 1 of the process. We bulk created these videos using ChatGPT, and we have them here in a Google Drive folder. Next step, if you want to automate posting to social media every single day. Alright guys, just a quick interruption. So if you're going through the video and you're having trouble, maybe you don't have the expertise or the time or whatever it is, we can help you. Over at To The Max Media, we do things like this. We can set up this whole automation for you in your business, hands-free. All you need to do is go over to tothemaxmedia.com. Link will also be in the description. Book a call with us and we're going to help you out. Not only can we automate your social media, but we can do a lot more things too, like content creation. So we can create your content, we can run your Facebook ads, we can integrate AI into your business, build your brand, automate your whole business, we can build your funnels, we can help you with lead conversion, we can manage your socials, and much, much more. So if you need any of these things, you need help, you don't have the time or the expertise, head over to tothemaxmedia.com and book a call with us and we'll be sure to help you. All right, let's get back into the video. We're gonna head over into Zapier. Okay, and we're gonna create a new workflow. The first step of the workflow is to use Schedule by Zapier, and we're gonna go ahead and do every day at whatever time. I like to post at 10 a.m., which is 9 a.m. LA time, which I've heard many times and it's actually worked for me to go viral, is the best time to post. So 10 a.m. is 9 a.m. LA time, so that's every single day. That's the trigger for this automation. The next step is we're gonna want to use storage by Zapier, and we're gonna increment the value. What this is gonna do is basically every time the automation runs, it's gonna count. So it's gonna start at 1 and then go 2, 3, 4, 5. And what this is gonna help us do is identify which video to post, and that's why it's important for you to, in the Google Drive folder, rename them all just a singular number. So this one is already done, so we're just gonna do it. The key is basically like the name. So we're just gonna do YouTube video examples. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and test that. So test step, and you can see it gave us 1 as the value. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to connect our Google Drive, and we're going to do the action as find a file. So I have here my Google Drive, configure, and now we're going to do the file name as the actual value that we just got from the last step. So you're going to go in, click on increment value, and then the value. We're going to do exact match. Now you can do file name contains, but when you start getting into like 12, 13, 14, since it will contain, let's say it's a 3 could be in video 3, video 13, video 33, video 43, and so on. So we want to do exact match. And we're going to go ahead and click our drive and find the folder that we just made. Okay, so let me just go ahead and find this. Personal B-roll for automation. and here's the folder, automated tweet videos. We're gonna go ahead and click continue, and we're gonna test this step, make sure it found the video. Boom, it found the video. The next step we're gonna do, and this is to just get rid of any errors that we have in automation, is we're just gonna make sure that we change the file sharing preference to anyone with the link can view. So we're gonna choose our drive. We're gonna have to find this again. Okay, my drive, and then we're gonna do the ID number from the file that we found in the last step. So you can click plus, the last step, and then right here ID, and then change sharing preference to anyone on the internet who has a link can view and comment. Can view and comment. There we go. So we're gonna test this step. Boom, it worked. The next thing that we're gonna do, and this is why the Google Sheet is important, is we're gonna find the caption that ChatGPT made for our video. So go to the next step, and the action is gonna be look up spreadsheet row. Let's go ahead and sign in here. Yep. Allow. So we're going to go to configure, and we're going to go to my drive, the spreadsheet. So the spreadsheet name is called Thai Tweets, and then the worksheet is obviously the second one with only 3, but for you it'll be whatever you name it, the main one. And then lookup column, I'm going to do index to find the number. So you can see here again, we're using the value from step 2. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and click continue, and we're going to test the step. So you can see it worked, and the Instagram caption is right here. Okay, and now this is the next step, which is actually automating the posting of the videos. So I looked around for many different social media managers that can connect to Zapier and automate and post automatically, and a lot of them didn't work, but the one that I found that did work is called OneUp. So you're gonna have to get a paid subscription for this. There might be other ones, but this is just the one that I found that actually worked first. And so what we're gonna do now, or here, I'll just redo it. So we're gonna find OneUp in Zapier. OneUp. Go ahead. Choose event. We're gonna create a post. Okay. And you're gonna have to sign in, and then I'm not gonna sign in right now because I'm already signed in the other steps, but that's how you find it. And so you sign into your account, and then you configure it. And so category doesn't really matter. You're gonna select the account, so you can only really do one at a time. As you can see, we have Instagram, TikTok, X, Threads, and then YouTube. So we select Instagram account, and then what we do here is the post caption is gonna be the one that we found in our Google Sheet. So here, Instagram caption, and the video URL is gonna be the one that we change the sharing preference. So you see here, it's shareable link. That's what we're gonna do. And then you can change scheduled times, but it's already kind of scheduled with our trigger of the Zap. Click continue, and then test, make sure it posts. I'm not gonna test it right now. But yeah, basically do that same thing for TikTok. TikTok's no different. X, obviously, I mean, you can post videos on X, but for this, we're just posting the tweet, the caption. So again, what you do is you find the spreadsheet tweet and put it in there, and there you go. And then same thing for Threads. Now with YouTube, we found that sometimes the caption would be too long and it would make an error step. So we just made a step for ChatGPT to basically make this caption less than 100 characters, and then give it the caption. And then the next step would be to format it, because sometimes ChatGPT does quotes like this, for example. So we do text formatter. Action event is text. We're going to transform and replace it. The input is going to be the response from ChatGPT. And then we're going to find the quotation marks and replace it with nothing. So basically deleting those. And then same process. You post to YouTube with the shareable link, and then obviously we just add an extra step from ChatGPT to get the caption less than 100 characters. So we're going to use that output, and yeah, that's how we do it. Once you have this all set up, make sure you test it, and then you can publish it. And all you really have to do is just keep bulk creating videos with Canva, adding it to this Google Drive folder that we created, that we connected to this app, and just keep adding videos with incremented numbers, right? So if I wanted to add more videos, I would just add them here and name them 4, 5, 6, 7, and so forth. If you want to restart from 1, for example, you have to go back into your Zap and change the key. So you have to configure it, and you have to change the key to restart it from 1 again, and then it'll restart. But if you use the same key, it just keeps that count. And yeah, that's how we post those videos automatically every single day, with probably an hour of work in the beginning, right? And yeah, it's super useful. Like I said, these videos have a high chance of going viral and reaching a large audience, and they're just cool, easy to make, like automated. Like you can't go wrong with social media content that is automated. And yeah, so I hope you guys got value from this video. I hope you understand simply how to do the process. Like I said, the Canva template will be in the description. The ChatGPT prompt will be in the description. And yeah, that's the video for today. If you have any other questions and you're having trouble, leave it in the comments and I'll try my best to help you. But yeah, if it worked for you, I'm glad. I hope your videos go fucking viral, and I'll see you next time. Take care.